Hey everyone, M.Z Car Club here. Buckle up, because today we're diving into a deep dive overview of the all-new 2026 Ferrari F80, covering its interior, exterior, pricing, safety, performance, and an overall verdict. This is a long-form script tailored for your channel, giving you plenty of content to work with. Exterior. The Ferrari F80 pushes the boundaries of what a road-going hypercar can look like and perform as. The body is completely new. Its architecture is defined by a futuristic design language with strong aerospace cues, and clear references to Ferrari heritage such as the Ferrari F40 and the vertical panel behind the rear wheels. Materials and chassis. The tub and body structure use carbon fiber, pre-preg, and advanced multi-material architecture, designed for maximum stiffness and minimal weight. Aerodynamics. The F80 features active aerodynamics including an active rear wing, flat underbody, S-duct front section, and tri-plane winglets. These combine to generate a staggering amount of downforce over 1,000 kilograms at 250 kilometers per hour according to Ferrari. Design stance. It has extremely wide wheel arches, a very low roofline, dramatic doors butterfly style, and a design meant both to be visually striking and performance-oriented. In short, visually this is Ferrari at its most extreme, a machine that demands attention and packs advanced tech into its exterior shell. Interior. Inside the F80, Ferrari has made design choices that emphasize driver focus and minimalism, while folding in advanced tech and premium finishes. The cockpit is asymmetric. The driver sits slightly forward compared to the passenger, enabling a narrow overall tub and better aerodynamics. Inside you'll find a minimal number of digital displays. The focus is on driving. According to reports, aside from the main instrument display behind the steering wheel, much of the center stack is capacitive or button controls rather than a huge infotainment screen. Materials. High-end carbon fiber trim, race-derived components, premium seats, and bespoke finishes are standard. Because this is a 799-unit limited flagship, the finish quality is top tier. Practicality. While this is not a grand tourer first and foremost, Ferrari has paid attention to occupant comfort and safety. The driver's seat is adjustable, impact absorbers are more advanced than previous models, etc. So, the interior is less about luxury fluff and more about precision, driver engagement and advanced engineering, fitting for a halo car. Performance. Performance is where the F80 truly stands out. Powertrain. The F80 uses a 3.0-liter V6, specifically the F163CF 120° V6 that produces around 900 horsepower on its own, combined with a hybrid system electric front axle and MGUK rear motor for a combined output of about 1,200 horsepower or around that figure depending on source. Acceleration and speed. 0 to 100 km per hour, 0-62 miles per hour, is claimed at about 2.15 seconds. Top speed in the region of 217 miles per hour, approximately equals 350 km per hour for the fastest version. Chassis and dynamics. The F80 employs active suspension, 48-volt multimatic dampers, push-rod suspension architecture, active aerodynamics, extremely high downforce, bespoke Michelin tires and race-derived carbon ceramic brakes, CCMR+. Weight and structure. The body shell is extremely stiff and light. Ferrari reports big gains in torsional stiffness over previous flagship models thanks to its construction. Bottom line, the Ferrari F80 is built not just over the top, it's built over the edge for performance, aiming at track levels that only hypercars attempt, but packaging that into a road-legal machine. Safety. Although this is a hypercar, Ferrari has incorporated modern safety and structural engineering befitting its role. Structural integrity. The new chassis uses impact-absorbing longerons, carbon fiber structure, and specially designed crash zones with hollow sections for heat management and stronger absorbers. Driver safety. The asymmetrical tub design includes a fully adjustable driver's seat with enhanced side impact absorbers. The passenger side is fixed to save weight but still meets high safety standards. Technology and braking. Onboard advanced braking systems, CCMR+, active suspension ensuring stability under performance, and aero components aimed at ensuring grip and control at very high speeds. These all contribute to safety through control rather than just crash protection. While traditional crash test numbers, NCAP etc., may not be publicly available given the exclusivity and low volume of the vehicle, Ferrari's engineering pedigree and the components used suggest that safety in the performance context, high-speed stability, braking, control, is world-class. Pricing and availability. The F80 is extremely exclusive. only 799 units will be built globally. Pricing. Estimated starting price is around US $3.9 million, or in some sources approximately 3.6 million euros, for the base allocation. Higher spec customized versions may go significantly higher. Market delivery. Ferrari indicates production beginning 2025-2026 with full customer delivery in 2026. For markets like Pakistan or South Asia, import duties, customization, shipping, right-hand drive conversion, if needed, will add significant cost beyond the MSRP. Also, availability will be extremely limited due to the small number of units globally. So from a buyer's perspective, this is beyond just a car purchase, it's a collector's item, a statement, and likely an investment piece. Overall verdict. Here's how the Ferrari F80 stacks up overall. Strengths. Performance. Among the most powerful road-legal Ferraris ever and arguably among the top-tier hypercars globally. Exclusivity. Only 799 made. Rarity adds to desirability. Engineering and innovation. Hybrid V6 with E-turbos, massive downforce, advanced suspension, extreme materials. Visual and emotional impact. The design is bold, the specification radical, and the appeal enormous. Considerations. Price and cost of ownership. With a base price around $4 million, and likely more in many markets, plus maintenance, tires, fuel, insurance, this is firmly a niche elite purchase. Practicality. As a hypercar, driver usability is secondary to performance. Daily usability may be compromised versus more conventional Ferraris or performance cars. Access and support. In many regions outside Europe, North America, support, parts, dealership availability may be limited. Value expectation. While it may hold value by rarity, hypercar markets are specialist, resale and long-term costs should be carefully considered. Recommendation for your channel: M.Z Car Club. This vehicle is content gold. It has the heritage Ferrari, the exclusivity, limited units, the technology, hybrid, race-derived engineering, and the visual appeal, radical design. A presentation of this car will attract attention. For viewers considering purchase, emphasize not just the thrill but the real-world implications: cost, support, maintenance, usability. For enthusiasts, dig into the engineering, the evolutionary step in Ferrari's lineup, and how it compares to previous Halo Ferraris. In conclusion, the Ferrari F80 represents a new chapter in Ferrari's flagship hypercar lineage, a car that isn't just about being faster, but about being technologically advanced, exclusive and future-facing. If you have the opportunity to film one, or get access to one, it will definitely elevate your content and engage your audience.